All right, everyone, we are going to take a moment here to look at how Discord on mobile differs from Discord on the desktop. All of the other training videos we've had here have been Discord on desktop. Mobile is very similar. There are just a handful of differences that are worth highlighting. When you first log in, and it doesn't matter, by the way, whether you use Android or iOS, the app functions exactly the same. I just happen to be screen mirroring my Android phone for this purpose. You log in, you launch the app, and then you get this window to either register or log in. My advice is to register on the desktop version first because it's a little easier just to set some basic user settings there, but it's all up to you. We are going to log in, however, because I already exist. And so I'm going to use my username and password and log in. And because I have two-factor authentication, I need to type in my super secret code, which in this case is there. So then you look for the OCGR server identifier in your side list, and then you see a scrollable list of channels. Now along the bottom, you've got a couple of things. You've got an icon that's got your avatar where you can set your status, you can do some account work. These basically mirror the server settings or the user settings on desktop, so you can make them here if you want. You've got a list of recent mentions, so anyone who's mentioned you is here. You've got a search tool to search across your servers. You've got your friend list, and then you've got your server list. So in OCGR, you pick any one of these text channels, and poof, you've got your channel. So this is the welcome channel. Now, while you're in a channel, you see that we don't have permission to send messages, so let's not go here. This is the announcements one. Let's go to general chat. So here is our general chat. We've got an option here to show who's online. This is the sidebar that you would normally see on the right side of the screen on the desktop version. You can go back. To access things, then that 3-menu hamburger icon becomes your way of navigating. So you click that, and then you go backwards, or basically go leftwards on the panes. So you can pick what you want. You can still do voice and event rooms here. So if I go into event room A, I can join voice. And when I do that, Android's asking me if it wants Discord to get permissions. I'll enable the overlay. Permission. Thank you, Android. And then I go back and see I've got the overlay here. I am the only one here, but I could also do video. I can do audio. I can do all those things, and then I can hang up. So the UI, everything that you expect to see on the desktop UI is here. It's just structured differently for a mobile device. So you can do whatever you want to do here. Everything works exactly the same. You know, if you happen to be in the war room and you want to type out a war, you can do that here. You know, you can just type a message if you want. It is super easy. A lot of people are on the mobile version all the time. If you happen to have an Apple Watch, for example, you can also configure it through the iOS app to send you notification on your watch if anybody happens to, say, @mention you. There have been times when I've been @mentioned and my wrist rings while I'm driving, so that's kind of cool. I don't know that you necessarily want to be engaged all that much, but the option's there if you want it. So if you want to play around with the mobile version, go right ahead. Again, if you have any particular needs, go to Help and Questions and ask your question, and we'll get to you as soon as we can. Or reach out to either ML, Casalia, or any of the 3 ML helpers. That would be me, J.E. Gillikin, or Shadow Moon Sadai, or RCK the writer. We are all here to help you and to make your 2020 Nano be as smooth and as efficient as possible. So thanks much, and good luck for a successful year.